What's your name and job title? My name is Sukhjinder Kaur and I am the Associate Head of School for Business, Accounting and Law. What are you currently watching or reading? Recently I read a book titled You Can Win by Shiv Khera, and it left a lasting impact on me as it was a powerful and motivating read that encourages you to believe in yourself and take proactive actions towards the accomplishment of your career objectives. Who or what inspired you to teach BA Financial Management and Accounting? I was inspired to teach accounting because of the impact it has on the individuals and business organizations. Early in my career, I worked very closely with organizations to help manage their finances, and I found it incredibly rewarding to see how sound financial advice and accurate financial records can help these organizations to grow immensely. So, with the passage of time, I realized that I wanted to share this knowledge with others so that they can understand how vital accounting is in financial management and decision making. I can say the very thought of empowering students to become knowledgeable professionals who can contribute to the financial health of the organization is what truly drives me to teach accounting. What would you say to someone thinking, why should I study BA Financial Management and Accounting? By studying an accounting program, you are actually setting yourself up for a career that is stable, that is financially rewarding, and has a lot of growth potential. In addition, these skills can also be applied to your personal finances, thereby providing you with financial independence. So, if you are passionate about numbers, problem solving, and making informed decisions, BA Financial Management and Accounting is the perfect path for you. What would you say to someone thinking, what jobs can I get after my studies? After you complete your studies in accounting, some of the potential job roles may include that of an auditor, an accountant, a tax consultant, thereby providing advice on tax planning, tax filing, and tax compliance. You can also be a financial planner, a financial analyst, a controller, corporate finance manager, or even a forensic accountant, thereby investigating financial discrepancies, frauds, or criminal activities. Furthermore, one can aspire to be a chief financial officer, accounting software specialist, or even a budget analyst. What would you say to someone thinking, I have been out of education for a while, will I fit in? It's completely understandable to feel a bit apprehensive when you are out of education for a while. However, the good news is that with your life experiences, determination, and willingness to adapt, you will not only be a good fit in accounting but thrive in this new phase of your academic journey. Take one thing at a time and believe that you have support as you ease back into learning. What would you say to someone thinking, I'm considering my options, why should I choose a CU campus for my studies? Selecting CU for your studies means you will be part of supportive and dynamic environment with access to high quality education, strong industry connections, and focus on employability. Furthermore, university's commitment to student support, academic excellence, and practical learning will help you reach out your full potential. Do your students just sit in formal lectures all day? The students usually participate in a mix of interactive learning, hands-on practice, independent and collaborative study. Accounting students does not spend all day sitting in formal lectures. In fact, we have interactive tutorials and workshops where students are provided with an opportunity to ask questions, receive personalized one-to-one feedback, and practice learning how to apply accounting principles to the real-world scenario. In order to practice accounting skills, students do spend some sessions in the computer labs where they have access to QuickBooks, Excel spreadsheets, and other softwares. Furthermore, some accounting programs may also organize guest speaker sessions, company visits, and field trips where the students get an opportunity to see how accounting is applied to the outside world and to provide them with the networking opportunities. What would you say to someone thinking, I want to find out more about this course, what should I do next? In order to find out more about the course and to get a clearer picture of what it entails, the next step is to attend an open day or book a one-to-one session. These events are an excellent opportunity for the students to know about the course in detail, meet with the course directors, ask questions and get a feel of the university life. If you have any specific questions on how to apply, our admissions team will be able to provide you one-to-one personalized support. Furthermore, you may reach out to university student ambassadors or alumni network via email or social networks and speak to them about their experience.